You searched how to buy shares of VNV Global AB. VNV Global AB is a Stockholm-based investor in technology and digital businesses, and it trades on CBOE EU under the ticker VNV.ST. This video is for educational purposes and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds to your account before purchasing. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker VNV.ST to locate the correct listing. Confirm the search result matches VNV Global AB before proceeding. Open the asset page to review the company's summary and the price chart, and confirm this is the VNV Global AB stock you intend to buy. Check the listing details and market venue to be sure. Tap the Invest or Trade button, enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and then confirm. If the market is closed, the platform may schedule the order or execute at the next available session, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before the order is completed. After the trade, the position will appear in your portfolio so you can monitor it. For the example platform link, see the description below.